So guys, as you can see, we're at this car graveyard today. There is a house there, but it's been burnt down. This is the main reason why I come here, for the camper van, but there's loads of cars. There's escorts, there's a CV2 here, there's a transporter, there's a Scirocco behind me. There's loads of cars here guys, and I mean absolutely loads. So yeah, let's get this video. As you can hear guys, there's an airport nearby, so that's why you can hear the planes. But here's the Scirocco, there's an escort, there's another escort at back. There's a Citroen CV2, I think that's how you pronounce that. Another escort which is covered with brambles. There's a Alpha in there. There's not much here guys, but there's, wow, look at that Merc. You can't exactly get to it, but I haven't got a clue what this is. It's covered by, oh, it's a Toyota. This place is by a road as well guys, so we're trying not to be seen. But this place, quite a nice little place. Oh, so Joe, that ain't even a camper van, that's a panel, innit? Panel van. It's lovely guys, it's unsavable though, I think. And I mean that is unsavable. Look at the state on it. The engine's still in it though, surprisingly. And all the stuff was in it, so this was someone's once pride and joy. Unfortunately left to the elements. An old CV2 I think guys, the front end of it. An Alfa Romeo. A Ford I want to say, if it ain't, roast me in the comment section. Fell in guys, almost. Gotta watch where you step. There's car parts everywhere. Guys, there's many burnt out stuff here as well. I think that's a Sylvia, don't get me wrong. Certainly looks like one. There's more cars around the back, or for some reason the front ones have been burnt out, and they all look like drift cars, as you can see. And look at the look at the Bedford guys in the trees. And last but not least, there's another camper van, another beauty that's been covered. She's being looked after, she is. Thank God, because our other one is unsavable. Wow. As you can see though guys, lovely colour, some lovely patina on it as well. There's a Bedford in there as well. But there's a hell of a lot of cars here. Maybe for parts. Some of them may be savable, some of them not so much. Right then guys, that was a bit of a short video. It's hard to film here because it's on a main road as well, with cars passing by where you can be seen, and all the cars are parked really close together, and that's another plane. Wow, that's close. But yeah, the cars are all together, so it's hard to get cinematic shots and stuff, so that's why I haven't done much in this video. I know it was a short one, but you guys haven't had an exploring video from me in a while, so I just thought, you know, I'll get one up on the channel for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I love the camper van. There's some amazing photo opportunities here, guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.